I don't know. I don't even know.
Oh yeah, you can.
This thing was so bad though. Like, I mean, I was bobbling and laughing so hard.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I wish I had my Seagull. I jumped in the ocean in a thong with it. I am thoroughly impressed with you. Are you kidding me? I like to dive.
I was getting so fed up, and then 50 seagulls landed all around.